Does your business or brand need a Facebook page? The answer is yes. And in this video, we'll show you how to create a Facebook page and give you some marketing tips on how to build your brand, get more clients, and get that highly desirable Facebook verification badge. Coming up. Hey, it's Carlos with Zepeda Media, bringing you the best digital media tips, tricks, and walkthroughs. And in this channel, we do a lot of videos on digital media, marketing, and advertising, as well as bringing you the latest social media platform updates and walking you through and showing you how to use them. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Okay, let's get started creating a Facebook page. Facebook is where more than 1 billion people go to connect with their friends and family and discover and learn about businesses. With more than 60 million active business pages on Facebook, it's important for your business to have a presence too. The only requirement to have a business page is to have a profile page. If you don't have a profile page, head over to facebook.com and create one. If you already have one, then you have everything you need to create a page. Let's get started. Okay, so what you want to do is head up here to the little drop down. Go to create page. So here you'll be able to select which business page category you want to choose. Is your business a local brick and mortar that actually has an address? Is your business a company, organization, or an institute, like a university? Are you a brand or a product? Are you an artist, public figure, or a band? Is this an entertainment page? Or is this a page for a cause or community? So choose a category that closely reflects your business. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Let's just go and create a brand page. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so here's your page. So one of the first things you want to do is upload profile picture and the header. So here are your guidelines for the dimensions for the profile picture and for the header. Upload a 180 by 180, and for the header 820 by 340. Next thing you want to do is go to the About section and make sure you fill out all this information. The more information you have, the better it is for you in search results. Remember, SEO, search engine optimization. You want to be able to be found. So when you first create your page, you might notice that you don't have the options to access the page insights or create an offer. As you continue to build your page's audience, you'll gain access to additional tools and features. At 25 likes, you can create a username for your page, which will be right here. You see this up here? Right now it's Media Central in this number. Once you have at least 25 likes, you'll be able to change that and create a username that'll be easier for people to find you. All they have to do is type, the username here, and they'll find your page. After 30 likes, you'll have access to page insights. This will show you data on how many people are visiting your page, their demographics, what posts perform well, and a few more things. Once you reach 100 likes, then you can start watching other pages. So this is helpful so you can see how other pages are performing compared to your page, including any competitor businesses. You'll be able to see pages to watch when you visit the Insights tab. You'll be able to see how many page likes they have, the number of posts published that week, and the number of engagements they have. Another thing you want to do is make sure you get your page verified. So to show that your Facebook page is authentic, Facebook has this verification badge. They have a gray badge and a blue badge. So depending on the type of business it is, it'll either receive a gray badge or a blue badge. The blue badge appears next to your page name in the timeline, in search, and elsewhere on Facebook. It also boosts your page in Facebook search results. And gray badges are given to local businesses so people know that they found and are interacting with the real page and not a fake or a spam account. The badge will appear next to the business name. Also, depending on the page category of the business, there may be additional features that are not available to other pages. The features that your page has access to will be determined during the verification process. Blue badges are given to some public figures, brands, businesses, organizations for the same reason as Facebook issues the gray badges, to show that the page is authentic Businesses that have a significant real-world presence are eligible for blue badges. Okay, so if you want to verify your Facebook page, head on over to Settings, Page Verification, Verify Page, and then type in your business phone number. You'll receive a phone call, and they'll give you a 4-digit PIN number. If you don't have a phone number for your business, you can also verify the page with a document that they request. A utility bill, license, tax, certificate of information, etc. Upload the file, send document, and then you'll wait to hear back from them. And that's it. If you want to modify these tabs over here, head on over to Settings, Edit Page, and you can see the tabs are right here. You can adjust them, move them around. You can add different tabs, events, live videos, notes, offers, etc. So it just depends on your business. You can move these around or take some of these off. You also have the template or the overall layout of your page. I'm currently using the standard template. You can change to a more of a business template. Venue, nonprofit organization or politicians, services, restaurants and cafes, shopping, and video creator. So I hope that you were able to follow along as we created a Facebook page. Should you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to us. We're always here to help. Question of the day: do you have a Facebook page? And what are your tips and how are you using it for your business? Definitely leave those in the comments down below. Remember, some of the best tips and feedback come from you, the Zepeda media community. So please feel free to leave those in the comments and reach out and connect with everybody else. Thank you again for checking out this video. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you want to see another Zepeda media video, make sure to click or tap on the screen right here. As always, Zepeda Media, bringing you the best digital media tips, tricks, and walkthroughs. Until next time, bye.